Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a very exciting bi-monthly subscription box to share with you, and it is Pyjama Drama box, and this is how it arrives in the post. So if you're new to Pyjama Drama box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in March and April's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Pyjama Drama box is a brand new subscription box. It was released in January and it sold out pretty fast. Now the company got in touch with me back in January asking if I'd be interested in trying their box out, and it's something that I've been saying for a long time, that there is definitely a market for nightwear subscription boxes, particularly pyjamas. So when I found out about this, I was really excited. So I agreed, and I absolutely loved their first box. Absolutely loved it. So the cost of the box is £25, and that is bi-monthly. In the UK, shipping is included in the cost. They do ship outside of the UK, but for an additional £18. You can opt for a rolling bi-monthly subscription, which you can cancel any time before the 20th of the month, but they also offer a 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost as well. So this subscription specialises in pyjamas and self-care, and in every single box you'll receive a pair of pyjamas and 3 to 4 little treats. It could be beauty treats or it could be little snacks, anything related to relaxing and winding and just chilling, looking after yourself. So if you're interested in getting this box for yourself, if you sign up now or any time before the 17th of April, you will get this box. After the 17th of April, then you will receive the May box that will come out. There's 4 different sizes to go for. They're all based on UK sizes. You've got 8 to 10, 12 to 14, 14 to 16 and 18 to 20. So all details related to this box and any codes I can find. I believe there's a free gift. If you to subscribe, you can have a free gift. I'll pop that down below, whatever I can find. So underneath this video, so you show more. If you click that, that'll bring up description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to open it up. I haven't seen inside yet. I've been stopping myself from looking at spoilers because I want it to be a surprise. So I can't wait. You got a little message from them here, just welcoming you to Pyjama Drama box. Then you got a little leaflet inside and it tells you everything about the products inside the box. Plus it also gives you information, which is in green, you might not be able to see, on how you can recycle the products as well. So it's very environmentally friendly and I really like that. So I'll be referring to that as we go along. You can't really see much. I'll give you a sneak peek first. So let's show you the beauty products first. I love the packaging of this. This is gorgeous. This is a pomegranate and fig, and it's flamingo candles, natural soy candle, 40-hour burn. It's a gorgeous gold and a marble design. That is lovely. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's stunning. That is so nice. Pomegranate and fig. So you've got a candle there. The recommended retail price of this candle is £9. It says here, made with soy wax and hand poured in the UK, this beautiful blend of ingredients will transform your surroundings into a sensually scented bubble of warmth, comfort and coziness. I love that. Absolutely love it, and it looks cool as well, doesn't it? That'll look really nice in my bedroom. So that's the first item. Then we've got, what is this? Balance Active Formula Cold Collagen Rejuvenating Serum. Colloidal? How do you say that? Colloidal. Goodness, colloidal gold. To give a natural radiant glow and marine collagen to help smooth and protect. It softens and rejuvenates tired looking skin. Glowing and smoothing looking complexion, lines and wrinkles appear reduced. Suitable for all skin types. Use morning and night. Apply the serum by gently smoothing over your face and neck. Shake well before use. I don't think I've ever tried anything by this brand before. Oh, you can sort of see gold little particles in there. Shake it all up. So I wonder if this will give you like a natural glow. I'll open it up now and try it on my hand. Yeah. Have to sniff it. It's just got a nice sort of subtle smell. You can't see much. It's a serum. It's absorbing into my hand. It feels lovely and it's not too sticky and heavy either. It's really nice. Yeah, it got a very subtle sort of shimmer to it. Very subtle. But no, I love that. Absolutely love that. Recommended retail price is £4.99. I thought it would be more than that. Wow, £4.99. And then it just goes on to telling you what I read off the back here, and it goes on to saying that it's 100% recyclable as well, the bottle and the packaging. So that's the second item in the box. Next we've got a product by Colour Wow, and this is Dream Cocktail Kale Infused, and this is for breakage, reduces hair breakage by 50%, and got 50 mils there. I've got a few products from this hair brand and they're really nice. I've tried quite a few actually over the last year, but my favourite ever product of theirs is a hair thickening spray. Yeah, I am really impressed. I've got very fine, thin hair, and if I weren't to use any hair products, it'll just be like lank, fly away, wispy, nothing. So I do need something to give it a bit of oomph. And yeah, that particular product is amazing. So a lot of you have been asking me to do videos on hair and how do I style my hair, what products I use and everything. So yeah, that is definitely something I'm sort of looking into. So it'll be up on my channel soon so that you can get to know what I do with my hair if that takes your fancy. But no, I haven't tried this one. So it reduces breakage. How do you use it then? After shampoo and conditioning, towel dry hair lightly, shake bottle well, pour a coin size amount into hands, smooth through hair, concentrating on breakage zones. So to buy this, it'll cost you £11. This leave-in treatment turns blow-drying hair from a stressy session into a serious strengthening session. The sea kale, amino acids and B vitamins work together to restore resilience and has been clinically proven to reduce breakage by 50% after just one use. That's amazing. And then it goes on to saying that it's 100% recyclable. So we got that. Next we got a mask, and this is by Patchology, and this is Smart Mud Detox No Mess Mud Mask. Ooh, curious to see what this is like then. So volcanic ash, charcoal and kaolin clay is a 2-piece mask. So it says, rid your skin of impurities in one clean step with Smart Mud No Mess Mud Mask. They make mud easy to apply and remove. It's the neatest way to clear up your complexion and dispose of pore clogging debris. Just says, leave onto skin for 10 minutes or longer if desired. Remove, discard mask and rinse with warm water. So the recommended retail price for this mask is £8. It says it's mineral-rich volcanic ash, removes impurities and renews your skin's clarity. It also helps tighten pores, leaving you with a youthful, healthy glow. So those are all the beauty products. I'll just gather them all up and then we'll go on to the pyjamas. So these are all the extra treats in the box. We've got something for the hair. So this is a hair treatment to reduce breakage. Then we've got something for the face, a mud face mask. Then we got a collagen serum. And then finally we got this gorgeous candle. And these are the pyjamas. So it's all like wrapped in tissue paper in there. Oh, I have actually seen these. Oh, I have seen them on Instagram before, but not properly. They are lovely. Really nice. The brand is a Foxbury. So you've got all the information about it there. Does it have the price as well? No, but it might have in the little leaflet. So it's a t-shirt top with a whale that says, I whaley love you. It's got pink pipe in there. I will put it on to show you exactly what it looks like so you have an idea of what they look like. But yeah, it looks quite a nice, long, large top. What size is it? This is size 16 to 18. I don't think that size is actually on their website. I am a 16 to an 18, so it should be perfect for me. They're all little hearts and spots, and you've got pockets either side there. Can you see? So yeah, nice elasticated. Oh, and they've got cuffed bottoms as well. Right, I'll just put them on to show you. So the recommended retail price for the pyjamas are £15.99. Cuffed trousers on the cutest set of super soft pink and red pyjamas. They're 100% cotton and they're t-shirt materials. So this material will ensure you're warm but don't overheat. You'll be the perfect temperature. As pyjamas are 100% cotton, they have very little stretch. If they are a little smaller than you'd like, make pyjamas damp, stretch them and leave to air dry. They do feel like lovely quality. Again, like the pyjamas I had last time as well. Yeah, they just feel like really, really nice cotton and not too thin. It's just a nice feel. So I can't wait to go to bed in them. So yeah, so those are all the items in this box. I love it. I just think it's an amazing box. I'm really, really grateful for Pyjama Drama Box sending me these to unbox for you because it means I get to keep them. But it's something different, isn't it? And that is what I like about it. So I suppose as the seasons go on, the next book's now will be coming out in May. So I can imagine maybe in May or July time, maybe we'll be getting little short sets maybe. And then going into the winter, we'll have longer legs again. So I suppose it will work with like the seasons, the time of the year and everything like that. I love the fact that it's bi-monthly because it means that over a whole year, you've got 6 new pyjamas, which isn't too bad. When I initially saw the subscription, I was thinking, oh, I love it, don't get me wrong, but is it something I would subscribe to long term? like 12 pyjamas a year, and I was thinking, no, maybe not, but then 6 pyjamas a year, then definitely. So I really like that, and I do think the cost is really good as well. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to it? Or if this box doesn't take your fancy, or your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.